Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back.
Hey everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Today, you all, we're going to be doing All Things Decor Tabletop collaboration hosted by Debbie Bubbles, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. They do have a guest host, which is Angie Fortson exclusive. Also, co-hosts are Decorating with Jazzy Green, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Design with Emma, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Creating with Miss K, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, and Vandessa J. If you would like to participate in this collaboration, please don't forget to hashtag All Things Decor. That way your video will go into the playlist. Also, there is a theme and it is enchantment. So I'm going to be decorating an area of my home with a tabletop. As you can see, I'm showing you the area now. And I have maybe just a little bit of enchantment in there. But anyway, you guys, don't forget to thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Now let's get into this video. So I decided to add this gold round stand here in this space. And if you guys can recall, I did use these round table stands in my family room area for my end tables, but I did switch those out. So I'm going to use it here in this space. I think it's going to look really nice here in this space. Yeah, I think it's going to be perfect right here. Now, if I had a square table, I probably would use that because this area is, you know, squared off. And this beautiful plant right here. We got to make this look like a fall tabletop here. All right, you all, we're gonna get to decorating it. So I am adding this gray textured vase here. It is absolutely beautiful. This was a Home Goods find and it was on clearance. You would have to check out my fall decor haul to find out what the price was, because at this moment I don't remember what the price was. So I think this is going to look really, really nice in this space. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love all the textures throughout. And so let's create a floral arrangement with this piece. Let's do a fall floral arrangement here. It's not going to take much because as you can see, the opening there is not that wide, it's not that big. So we can do a small fall floral arrangement. Let's try that and see what it's going to look like. I think I hit the nail on the head. Let's see how this fall floral arrangement turned out on this tabletop. That is gorgeous, you all, with the fall and autumn leaves here with the beautiful pumpkins. This is gorgeous. So beautiful. This gray is really setting the tone. And I was a little worried because I have this green plant here, but everything just meshed together, because if you can see the base of this planter here, it is the gray and white. So it's looking pretty nice here with the picture, with your art right there. This is looking really nice. Oh, this floral arrangement turned out really pretty. I hope you guys are liking it. Okay, let's see what else we can add to spruce up the space. Okay, I have this beautiful gray or dark silver candle stand, and it's absolutely gorgeous, you all. I wanted to give this area a little bit more of height because of the painting here. I didn't want too much spacing in between it, so I did want to add a little bit of height here. So that's why I chose to use this candle stand. Y'all, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it, I love it, I love it. It is beautiful, and it works and pairs so well with this textured vase here. And as you can see, we're using different textures in this tabletop styling, and it looks good together. So I think what we need to do is we need to add a candle here, and I'm choosing to use the gray candle, and it is a tapered candle, and it's giving us more height here. I like the placement of this as well. The gray candle here is very subtle against the fall and autumn leaves. So far this is what we have for our tabletop decor. And of course, because it is fall, we have to add a pumpkin. And this is a beautiful pumpkin. I love the rustic color and the rustic feel that it's giving off. And it's perfect with these autumn and fall leaves. It is such a beautiful setting over here. And everything is going together. And this candle stand, I did get it from Home Goods as well too a while back, and it was on clearance as well. So we're sprucing this space up pretty nicely. I am liking it, and I hope you guys are liking it too. And I hope you all are enjoying the videos over here at Home with Lisa. And I hope you like this video enough, whereas you give it a big thumbs up. And I think I want to add one more piece here. I think one more piece is going to complete this look. So the next clip you're going to see is the reveal of our fall styling on this tabletop. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in today. Please do not forget to go over and check out the other ladies. Thank you so much, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, for inviting me on this collaboration. I appreciate you so very much, and I appreciate what you are doing for our home decor and DIY community. So you all, without further ado, let's go ahead and look at what I have created with my round table tabletop fall decor. Isn't this gorgeous, you guys? This is absolutely beautiful. Everything is working together to create this beautiful space here. We have repetition throughout the textures and the colors in this round tabletop styling for the fall. I love the distressed look of this candle stand here. And it is aesthetically pleasing with these fall and autumn leaves here. And our pumpkin pairs very well with our autumn and fall leaves as well. And our grays and dark silvers are mates in this ensemble. This is beautiful. I am loving this space. And again, I thank you all so very much for tuning in. And please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, I love hearing your comments. Please leave me some comments down below to let me know what you thought about this decor styling that you see here. Please be sweet, loving, and kind in your comments. And without further ado, I am going to have to say, see you later, love bugs. See y'all in the next video. Bye bye.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa.